Kitali Chatterjee, and I'm Bombay-based psychologist practicing for the past 10 years. 5 days course in past life regression therapy here in Emeritus has been absolutely wonderful. When I got to experience the same, undergo past life regression myself, my doubts completely disappeared, and it was an absolutely wonderful experience. I've learned a lot, and since I'm a psychologist, it has equipped me with another tool in my arsenal to work with my clients and give them, a deeper level of healing, which will be a lot more everlasting.
I was actually looking for some answers about life and death, and somehow I'm blessed that I came across Amrantos, and after coming here from a total non-believer about the past lives, I've actually become a strong believer. Just my heart is full of gratitude. Probably I just want to quote Kabir Doha that says, Guru Gobind dono khare kaake lampa, bali har guru aapke jo Gobind.
I'm Mona Narayanan. I'm a counselor practicing therapist in Chennai. I've been in practice for the last 13 odd years now. I was searching for a guide who would actually give me a very structured form of practicing this therapy. And I think it was by pure chance that I came across Amritas. The way I was introduced to the entire concept, both before the workshop where it was so structured that they gave me assignments, and it felt as if I had joined college again. And it made the learning extremely powerful, and made me feel like a dedicated student who was in hands of a very benevolent teacher, Venu. And the leading into the course was very gentle. It was as if we were all blindfolded when we came here. And by the end of 5th day, it is like we all have lights in our eyes and we are ready to go. And I think each one of us feels this.
My name is Dr. Ashwini Suri. I came here as a cynic, not believing anything. Actually wanted to find out what it is all about. And in these 5 days, Venu has managed to convince me from being a cynic to a believer. Not only a believer, but now I would be an advocate of PLR. Absolutely divine experience. Thank you so much.
5 days एक्सपीरियंस बहुत शानदार एक्सपीरियंस था. बस एक प्रॉब्लम था कि हिंदी और इंग्लिश की थोड़ी सी एक प्रॉब्लम थी, बट वो भी कभी वेनु ने फील नहीं होने दिया. जो चीज़ जहाँ समझ में नहीं आई वो उसको बहुत अच्छे से समझाया.
My name is Shubhank and my day job is of an advocate. It was a very different experience for me. I was a bit skeptical before I came over here. It was a great experience.
Very happy I found Amarantas. When I came into the course, very apprehensive about who's going to be the people going to attend the workshop with me. And from the first day, I think we are a great group. I had a wonderful time, and we had very great discussions. After the first day, I went back and told my family I found an awesome instructor. I think he's a great human being. That is the first thing which struck me when I met him. He's very kind and very patient and just gives you everything he has. That was something I don't think everybody does it. And this whole course has a methodical process, and I'm really going to miss this 5 days. They'll be the best days of my life, and I really look forward to being with all of you.